I feel like this person wants to come back to express how they truly feel about you. But I feel like this person has been trying to control, one, how they feel, which is why they've tried to keep their distance. They're trying to, like, deny this connection that you two share. But I feel like they can no longer deny it. And they're finally dropping the whole holding on to control, and they're just allowing the universe to move in their favor. The problem is they're worried about their finances here, their career. Something's going on with their money, but I feel like they are going to come back to speak some type of truth to you. So yeah, let's hop in. Alright guys, let's see. Alright, bottom of the deck, I have the Nine of Cups. So this is basically telling me that, yeah, somebody wants things to improve between the two of you. But they're worried. They're worried and they're in their head. Why? They feel like the seeds that y'all planted, they're not going to grow. Okay. This person left you out in the cold. Oh, that's why they're worried. Okay, so this person could have ghosted you. Could have left you. Possibly for another situation, other person, family, whoever. But whatever was going on, whoever they could have just ghosted you for, I feel like they're trying to remove themselves from that situation because they're trying to clear away obstacles in order to be with you. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. I do feel like this person is scared to come back towards you because since they left you out in the cold, you're going to become, they feel like you're going to be cold. You're going to be harsh with your words if they try to come back. Oh, what you want now? Oh, she wasn't good enough? He wasn't good enough? Oh, it wasn't your dream come true? Oh, so now you want to come back? So it's like, they already know about to hear your mouth, okay? Y'all not letting this slide. And this is why they're trying to come back slow. So, they're using their intuition, though. They're going to use their intuition. But right now, they just don't even know what to say. They don't even know how to really approach you because they know they messed up. Big time. Okay. So this person made a decision that they want to have a commitment with you. They see things moving forward. They see themselves having a future with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus here. Tell me more. Ooh. But they're not moving forward right now. Okay, yeah. There's somebody's in some type of commitment that they're trying to get out of. Some of you guys could be dealing with someone who's married. They're trying to get out of that. Or there could just be some type of, like, contract situation. It's something going on. This person, that's why they're worried about their money. Hold on. Tell me more. Uh-huh. They're scared. Some of you guys are definitely dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But this person feels like you don't want to put any more time, effort, and energy into them. And you're focusing on yourselves. But this person, I'm telling you, they're planning. They're planning on coming back towards you. Because they do want this opportunity with you. They want to start over. But they're scared that you're not going to accept this offer. But I'm honestly just feeling like they're scared about some type of like financial security in their own life. But they were being sneaky in the past. They definitely were. And they know that they have to clean up their act. They have to change their behavior. And see, they feel like they lost you for good, Virgo. They're in their head about it. Because see, they want to have a victory with you. They want to fix this. And see, they're trying to stay positive here. Because they want to win back your heart. And see, if they were feeling stuck or trapped in a situation due to them being in a relationship, marriage, let's say if there were children involved, a child, whatever, parent, anything, they're freeing themselves. They're getting themselves out of that situation. Tell me more. Somebody could have been dealing with an Aquarius here, but this person feels like if they come back towards you, speak their truth, it's like they're just not hopeful that you're going to take them back due to the fact that they caused a lot of conflict, a lot of arguments took place between the two of you. And so, yeah, 1 minute they want to rush in to fix this, but the next minute they're holding back due to the fact that you walked away from them. Because they didn't bring stability into the situation. Somebody could have been dealing with an Aries here, but yeah, y'all had to walk away because this was some nonsense. I'm picking up already. Somebody's dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius, but this person is dragging their feet. Because I feel like they don't, if they come back, they don't want you to walk away. See, there were two people. There were two people. Y'all know how I feel about my court card. So even though y'all see two kings, it could be two women. So take it however it fits your situation. But that's the issue. There was somebody else here. Somebody could have been dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But because there was some type of third-party situation going on, Virgo, they're scared that if they come back to give you this offer, you're not going to take it. And see, they're coming back with an apology. They know they got to apologize. They know they got to put in the work. But they're scared. It's like they're not confident within themselves right now. And they're back and forth with the strength card. So some of you guys could be dealing with a Leo. And it's like they're trying to have the strength to come towards you. But because they're not confident within themselves, they're not making a move. See, communication is barely coming in. They're not really saying anything to you. Because they know they were being childish and immature. In the past, they know. And see, now they want this new beginning with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. Clarify justice. Why is justice here? They're moving slow. Yeah, I'm telling you, somebody could be going through some type of legal situation, court situation. I feel like they're trying to wait on a verdict. They're trying to get out of something, and this is why they're moving slow. They don't put themselves in a situation. Tell me more. Yeah, see, now they're having a hard time. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. I feel like somebody is having a hard time about their money because if this is like a court situation, somebody's going to have to pay up, and they know it. So they don't know how much they're going to have to give, and that's what's worrying them because they do want to come back towards you, but they put themselves in a situation. See, their financial situation is not in the best shape. Yeah, and they're also scared that things are not going to improve with you. And see, this is a lesson for them, Virgo. You could be dealing with another Virgo, but this, I feel like, this is their energy. This is a lesson for them. Y'all know it can go vice versa. So again, just take it however it fits. But this person is just thinking about everything that they did. And see, this is why they're not taking a leap to come towards you. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. But you know, it's like you're somebody who is such like a positive influence in their life, and they're kicking themselves like, I really messed this up. Because they took too long trying to make a decision, trying to come back towards you, and now they're frustrated that they messed things up with you, but also their money ain't right. So I feel like there's fear here. Clarify the moon. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces. Yep. They feel like their money isn't going to get back to where it was. They're afraid. Somebody has to give up some money here. And they're unsure if they're going to be able to balance anything out between you, the two of you. But the thing is, they want to come back to try. They want to balance things out. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Sagittarius. Back and forth about the Chariot. See, this person wants to move forward with you, but right now they're not making a move because of this situation that they put themselves in, but they're also scared that you're not going to take them back. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Cancer. Yeah, they know you're not happy, and they're not happy that they put you in this situation. See, they're not content with their finances. Yeah, somebody was in like some type of toxic situation. Just the way this is looking, it was toxic. And see, now their finances are suffering because of it, because they made the wrong decision. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. Clarify the devil, please. See, somebody's in a codependent situation. They made the wrong decision. See, it's a codependent situation, and like they're trying their best not to look back at the past because they're trying to get out of it because they know they want to be with you. But see, they did take a financial hit. See, it could be a family situation. It's somebody from the past. Something's going on here. Somebody took a financial situation. They're trying to get out of it. Financial hit, excuse me. So they made a decision. What's their decision? They want things to improve with you, Virgo. They definitely want things to improve with their finances, but overall it's with you because with the Lovers card, they know you're the one. You're it. And they're coming to speak their truth to you about it. They want to tell you everything that's going on. They want to express how they truly feel. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Gemini. Tell me more. But right now, this person is having a hard time. Why? Because they stabbed you in the back. They stabbed you in the back because of the situation that they put you in. But look at that. 2 tens. this cycle that they've been going through is coming to an end. There's a new cycle that's going to start. There's some type of new beginning. Because look, this person is going to come and give you this offer that you do deserve. They're coming back to put in the hard work. Because, see, they're regretting all the times they stabbed you in the back, Virgo. So they made a decision. What's their decision? They want a commitment with you. I'm telling you, Virgo, this person's coming back. They want a commitment with you. Look at that. They made a decision. Tell me more. They want a new beginning. Virgo, they're coming. They're coming. Oh, my God. They're coming. Oh, look at that. Okay. They're coming. They want a new beginning with you. Some of you guys could have been dealing with a Scorpio, but I feel like this situation that this person put them in, whatever is going on, it's changing them. This person is going through a transformation. They're awakening now. Because now, whatever situation that they're going through, they now know, I will never do this again, okay? They're coming back. But see, this person is sad. They're emotional because they know that they broke your heart. There was a third party here. And y'all know with third party, it doesn't have to be another man or woman. It could be family, friends, career. It's something like that going on where it's affecting their money. And they're sad because they know they hurt you. They broke your heart. Somebody's dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. Yep, but right now they don't have a peace of mind. And I feel like they haven't freed themselves yet from the situation, but they're going to. But they're scared that you don't want to build with them anymore. Yeah, see? Y'all are both emotional. Somebody's definitely dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But see, this person that you were dealing with, they're upset. They can't sleep. They're frustrated right now. Because they feel like they're not going to have a happy home with you. And see, for some of them, if they're with someone else, they want to let you know that they don't see themselves being with this person anymore. They don't have a happy home. And see, they're going to come and communicate something this to you, that they want a new beginning. But see, the way the Three of Cups just came out, they haven't truly let go of this third party just yet. This person is still something going on that they have not completely walked away from. And I feel like this person wants to come back towards you to talk to you. They want to ask you out, but at the same time, they're in their head about it because of what they feel like you're going to say. This person's definitely scared of you rejecting them. See, the way that Ten of Cups came out, it's like they want to have a family with you. They want wish fulfillment with you, but I'm telling you, they're scared that you don't want it. And see, they're going to come back, Virgo, to balance things out because they do want things to improve. See, they're going to come back to turn things around. They're going to come back and work things out with you. Ooh, Virgo, leave me some comments. Let me know if this is resonating with you guys because I want to see what y'all going to do.